Hello and welcome. So today we are going to see on how we are going to install the VirtualBox on Ubuntu 24 at the LTS. So let's start. First, we're going to download the VirtualBox from the official website, which is the virtualbox.org or org. And then on this site, we're going to just click download. After downloading, we are going after clicking the download, we are going to choose the OS that we are running. So for us, we are going to use the Linux distribution. Just from this, we have the Windows, Mac OS, and then now we have the Solaris, and so we are going to use the Linux distribution. And inside the Linux, we have different uh, different Linux OSs. And for us, we are going to just take the Ubuntu 24 because that's the operating system that we have in this application. So just click and then Ubuntu 24, and we are going to download. But for in my case, I already have the VirtualBox downloaded, so I won't download. For your case, you're going to download the version that you want to use or the OS that you are using. Then after downloading, we are just going to install. So how we are going to install? We are going to navigate to downloads. So cd downloads, and then from this, if we are going to ls, we see we have the VirtualBox on this side. So what we are going to do, we are going to sudo install using the dpkg, which is the Debian package, and then install, and the VirtualBox version that we have, and then run the password. Okay, so you're going to type your password, and this is how the process is running. But you'll realize that the VirtualBox did not install due to some problems we are facing. So dependency problems prevent configuration of VirtualBox. So what you're going to do is we are going to install these missing packages. Depends on the libtms, and then we are going to install also the lib this one. So there are some packages that we find that we are missing. So what we do first, we are going to install the universe. So sudo add and then add-apt and then repository universe. So that's the repository we are going to use. Sorry, universe. Think any components in the universe, yes. So yeah, then we are going to run update. So after running the universe, we are going to run sudo apt-update to update the repositories. So that's what we are going to do. And then now we are going to install the missing packages. So in this case, we are missing library tm so, and then also the xcb. So I already have packages that I've already copied from and so I'm just going to paste here. These are the libraries. You'll find them on the description below. And then we are going to so we are going to run the broken dependency, unmet dependencies. So sudo, then paste. Yep, it's going to run correctly. So after installing the broken dependencies, we are going to just confirm by installing the packages, and I hope we are successful. Yeah, we are successful. So we are going again to run the we are going to run the installation of our VirtualBox. We hope now we are having everything that we need. And now we have the VirtualBox installed, and if we go to the search, the applications, then VirtualBox. So we now have the so sure, we have the VirtualBox installed, and we can now be able to manage and install any OS in our VirtualBox that we want to test, try out through adding new. So first you must have the ISO file that you want to test out or install in this file. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Kali Linux into our virtual machine. So for now, goodbye and hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next.